Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. After that guys, this is official website. You can see the right hand side search button, search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard Z790 AORUS TACHYON X and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Now click on the name of the title. Click on support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. And first guys download. After that I show you installations. So first HD audio. You can just click to download. It will start downloading in the download box here. Okay. Slow down. Chipset. Serial driver. Intel management firmware. So this is both important. You click to these icons and same this one also. LAN driver. LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver. Download. VGA, graphic, display, you can say, click to download. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So Bluetooth driver, Wi-Fi driver, download latest one and click, and this is also click. Now you can see it is start downloading in the download box. Let's switch completed. Otherwise first wait for the complete and after that click to icon which driver is downloaded. Okay, like this. You click on this which open the where it is downloading and download locations. Okay, and then show you how to install. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator, after that click on yes. So it is closed means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.